So, okay, Neha, you can start because today topic is are movies good tool for education. So you can start now because we have already 5 members.
Okay,
Okay, so you can start.
okay. Movies are
Good tools for education.
okay. Movies are good tools. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Neha Verma, and I'm opening today's debate. And the topic for today is: Are movies are good tool for education? So, according to me, yes, somehow, only a few part of this movies play or educate us about the, for example, I have seen some movies like Milkha Singh. Recently I have seen a movie of Shakuntala Devi, right? And because including me, I think that only a few part of people will was known to was known this Shakuntala Devi before this movie. So by this movie, they just show or made a biopic of Shakuntala Devi so that people get to know about that. Yes, there was a Shakuntala Devi and she was known as a uh, human calculator. So by showing this movie, they the creators have made to know that the importance of Vedic maths. So people, so student get to know the importance of Vedic maths. Vedic maths is something by which we can uh, we get more power, or it's a powerful tool, so that if you want to do maths or non want to know do calculation very fastly, so in that way we can use Vedic math or tricks. So by showing this movie, we get to know a very beautiful thing, that is Vedic maths, which is Vedic maths. And I think after this movie, a number of people has chosen Vedic maths as their profession. So somehow this movie, such kind of movies are able, or actually contribute the society. And people get to know about the people like her, and they get to know some new things. So but the worst thing about this movie is only a few part of movie, I can say, I don't know the exact data, but only 5 to 7% of movies actually educate us, or actually educating us. But apart from that, 95 to 93% of movies are something they are, we do not get anything, or there is no output of that movie. There are some and the movies for entertainment, there are some romantic movies, or there are some movies like we can even do not watch them like with our entire family. So only a few part of movies are actually act as a tool for education. So this is from my side.
Okay, thank you, Neha, for giving such nice speech on this topic. Actually, I am not agree with you, especially first part. In second part, I am totally agree. Only 3 to 5% movie are who just going to educate us. Also, you can take many example as you mentioned about Sankuntla Devi, Bhag Milkha Singh Bhag, and definitely this type movie also motivate us so we can do something in our life also because we see how they have struggled their life to achieve so much success. But second, first part, uh, I think you have talking about because I have categorized movie in two part. One is bad movie and one is good movie. Good movies only 3 to 5%, and just you can see statistical data if you are going to compare about within 6 months. I don't think we got any movie who are just going to educate us. We are getting some movie who totally based on the violence and some family drama and some romantic. So I think this type of movie is not going to educate us because we know what happening in society. Only few movies is going to educate. So I am not totally in favor of that topic. I think if you want to achieve something, if you want to get educate, so I think book and some you can say some other material which is going to provide us knowledge, that is much better option compared to movie, because only for 5% we can't rely on the movie. And as you mentioned about Shakuntala Devi, I think Vedic mathematics is, oldest mathematics of India. And yes,
Yes.
you are right. Only few person know about Shakuntala Devi. But you know what happened when you are going to appear in TCS examination. Basically, I'm talking about TCS, and they conduct a paper. In that paper, 5 questions asked by the Shakuntala Devi. There is a book. Basically, that the book is based on the reasoning, and that book is written by Shakuntala Devi. Everyone, engineering graduate, I am talking, they are preparing for TCS or Infosys examination. They always read the book of Shakuntala Devi because they know there are 5 or 6 questions the company is going to ask from that book. So many people are aware, and also, I am totally agree with. Okay. Also, one thing, currently I'm living in Rajasthan. I had no idea about Padmavati, who was Padmavati. But only due to that movie, I came to know, yes, there was a queen, and there are some Sati Prathayat like this. Then I came to
Exactly,
know.
exactly.
So movie, and also we cannot ignore, because Bhag Milkha Singh Bhag, if you are going to watch, then you can find yes how many medal he has just won for the India, and also you can gold 16 how India win, and also you can take example of Mahendra Singh Dhoni movie. At least we can know he has. So there are many options, but only few percentage. So okay, so Devi
Exactly.
Bhai,
I want
yes,
to tell that the making of movies are totally depend upon the demand of the public.
yes,
And if we boycott all such kind of movies, or we deny that we are not going to even see that such kind of movies, we want only educational movies, or some movies that give us some inspiration. So I think they will be emphasized, or they will be we will be telling them, convincing them that they have to make such kind of movies. Or I think somehow we are we are we have to take this responsibility on our shoulders, that if we find such kind of movies, we have this kind of option that we say, like when it was a movie Padmavat, so people just denied to say that it is violating our culture, or so it is not up to the mark. So people denied to watch that movie, or they were focusing that this movie is do not going to release. So if we want, we have to take this responsibility on our shoulders, that sorry so shoulders, that we have that much, we common people have that much power, that we if we want that if we want these movies to be a educational tool, so we want to tell them that you need to, because I have already mentioned that only a few part, like 5% of the movies are actually giving us information, or acting as an educational tool. So we have to tell them that we are not going to watch such kind of movies anymore, and we want so they definitely focus on making on the biopics, or the real life stories, or scientific stories, like the story of like Mangal Yanmar. What was the movie name of that movie?
I think
Mission Mangal. Okay,
Mission
Mission
Mangal, Mangal
Mangal.
Mission.
Yes,
So such kind of movies are giving some inspiration, or some are giving us information that what actually has happened. So it is totally upon us that it is up to the demand of our common people. So I think we should take care of such kind of things.
Okay, just I want to put up a point here. Actually, some day ago I
Yes.
had seen a movie. That movie was basically based on the Ramanujan. I think that great mathematician of India. Actually, I'm just forgetting the name of movie. I think World is Everything. Actually, that was English movie. By that movie, I basically came to know what is basically PhD and what is thesis. Nowadays what we are doing, just we are copy and pasting something, but in that particular
Hmm.
movie when I saw, then I came to know yes, thesis means you have to do something new which is not in present scenario. And I think that
Yeah.
is the greatest mathematician of India. And I think just I'm
yeah.
forgetting the name of that movie. I think world is
I
everything.
I think that name was A Man Who Knows
Yes,
Infinite.
yes, infinity,
Infinite. Oh
yeah.
yeah.
Yes, yes, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, so Devi bhai, now you can put your point.
Okay, I will drop my point.
No, no, no,
I
yes.
drop. So, so today's topic is are the movies are uh, educate us. So I think it's no, as Pradeep Bhai already told that the only 5% of the movies are good, but who is going to segregate that? Because these 5% of the movies, who will? No one is there, right, to teach this is the movie is good and another movie is good, that will learn a lesson. And when we learn the lesson from movies after watching or after spending 3 hours in a theater or in any place, then only we learn the lesson. Otherwise, no, it is like a time wasting, because it had many things in one movie, not only start or end. It had many unrelevant things are included, so adequated in that movie. So that's why movies doesn't give any it doesn't educate us, because see, I will watch one movie today, so I will inspire with that movie. Tomorrow, one more movie will I will watch. Again, I will inspire with that movie. So I will forget the what I watched yesterday. So it is keep movies are coming continuously. So you cannot keep one movie in mind. So on that day when you had watched that movie, right, on day you will be correct. Like I need to achieve something and I need to prove something. So next day you will watch different movie, and your all point of view will change based on that movie. So that is one kind of the attraction that will make in movies. So definitely we should not watch any movies to educational purpose, but we should watch a movies for entertainment purpose. At least we have stress or something, then we can spend our valuable 3 hours of time in watching movies, so that the producers, the director will get some amount of money with the help of our viewers. So that's all I have for today.
Okay, so we have a new member. I think Ritika have joined very early. So if Ritika, if you want to say something about this topic, so you can speak. Otherwise, we move towards Ganesh, Amit, Vishal, and Shekhar Bhai, Dhiru Bhai. So Ritika,
I want to speak, sir.
yes, yes, definitely speak.
Today's topic is are movies good tools or for education or not?
Yes.
So my opinion is that first of all, it depends on which movie we are watching, and the second is the angle at which the person sees it and think. Not every movie is suitable for study material, but there are a few percent movies that are very important for study. Uh, and the important thing is that when a student watches a movie, it depends on how it thinks about it and use it well. If student or somebody has a passion for learning, then they can learn from the good things from bad also. It's my opinion. That is.
Okay, so Amit Bhai and Ganesh Bhai.
Yes, sir. I am ready. Hello.
Yes,
Hello. I am audible, sir.
yes, yes.
Okay. So many people put his very good point on this topic. So I am also partially favor on the side of how movie is beneficial for the study. Means first of all, first question is so how many people
Ganesh,
are watching?
Ganesh,
Okay, speaking.
connect your
Okay.
earphone again because we are getting so much background noise. No, I think your connection is not proper.
So now I am audible, sir.
You are audible, but we are getting background noise.
It might be
Okay, okay.
fan.
So now I don't have earphone because I am outside the home.
Okay, okay.
So sorry for that.
Okay.
Uh, okay, sir. First of all, question arises: how many people are watching the movies for the educational purpose? Means so many people are watching movies for only entertainment purpose, and how many movies are created for the educational purpose? Means they if they created the movie, make the movie for educational purpose, and then this movie cannot be hit. Yes, and director or producer can't earn money from this movie, so that's why and so many people are not watching the educational purpose movies. So now I'm okay. That's my point. So I
Okay,
forget
Okay.
here
something.
I want to here I want to add some point that people are considering that this education we are not considering movies like for the educational. There is a difference between study and educate. Study means study that is related to like our academic, or we want to study is quite related to our academic, and the word education or to being educate is related to something like it can be regarding anything academic, or if you are giving me life lessons, or in this way you are educating me. So
Yes,
if
Neha.
we are from any movies, so if from any movie we are getting anything, or we are getting knowledge about our culture or about our past, they also, these such kind of movies are also educating us.
Actually, I'm
Yes,
totally
yes.
agree
I am
with Neha
appreciate
because
for
every
this
movie
point.
tell us something. Whatever movie we are going to watch, definitely we are going to learn something. You can take example of some romantic movie, family movie, because every movie tells something. Because every movie has some message, and now it's totally depend upon us. We are getting that message or not. Okay, so now Dhruv bhai, you can speak. Then we move towards Sekhar bhai. Dhruv bhai.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So definitely, according to me, the two things that we get in abundance if we are going to watch any movies. The first thing is entertainment, and that is why we go for movies, no matter in a week or at the last of the month or every single day. And the second thing, inspiration. I think definitely when it comes about knowledge, we have very few movies, very few movies. I mean, maybe 1%. With the help of that movie, we can get any knowledge. Sometimes if movie is related to your culture or any other country's culture, then definitely you are getting the knowledge about the particular specific culture. But also tell me how many times we watch in such kind of movies. I don't think in our lifetime we watch more than 1 and 2 movies based on culture and specific any societies. Also and when it comes about inspiration, biopics, movies based on biopics and autobiography and specifically on documentaries. These kind of movies give us so much inspiration, and so many people and so many players, they are also inspired such kind of movies, and it is also good tool for those who are just at a village. If we will go to know so many player, and now it's a 21st century, so we all have a phone, but just in just before 10 and 5 years ago, there was only one thing, television. And we all know we have been so many poor people, and still we have. So we can't go outside, we can't get knowledge. So at that time there was only one source, that is whatever we are watching on television. And movies, definitely, it was a great source. So I think it is good for those deprived people who can't go outside, who can't get any extra informational regarding reading, education, and by any specific teacher. So they can easily watch movies, and they can get some information, and they can inspire themselves. Like so many people, I think I have seen one video. In that video, I exactly don't know the name of that person, but he is the one of the best climber on the world. He has climbed everything, like uh, a huge skyscraper building like Burj Khalifa, without any support. And also he has a name in Guinness World Record. And he mentioned that when he was at the age of 8 year, then he watched one movie about the climbing on mountain, and from there he got inspired. And after that, now most of the people, we know that man. So the main thing is, definitely we can easily get inspired. And we also, in India, we have so many movies. I think Miss Neha has also mentioned the movie Mission Mangal. A person who wants to become astronaut, it can be inspired easily to him. But when it comes about knowledge, that movie is not gonna give you knowledge. You can easily go on YouTube in place of watching whole 1.5 hour, 2 hour movies. That will give you more specific information about the thing that you want to know. But definitely it can give you the inspiration. We are watching movies that Mithal Mangalyan, how they are working with their colleague, and the the curiosity, the work ethic that they are providing. So all these things we know exactly through movies. Nowadays, video is a huge source of delivering the knowledge and explaining something. And any people, no matter you are a dumb fool or you are illiterate or you don't have master degree, PhD degree, even a just 10-year-old kid, they can easily get any movies, any visual, any image, and they can recognize, oh, they can relate actually. So in that particular manner, it definitely can be a very, very good source according to me. But definitely at the last, we also need to know about ourselves. We only watch once or twice a movie in a whole year when it comes about documentaries and any biography movies. And when it comes about entertainment movies, we watch all the time, and nothing is wrong about that. At the last of the week or at the last of the month, definitely we can watch and we can entertain ourselves. But also at the same hand, so many teenagers, just because we are talking here about knowledge and information, and also the the virtue and the wisdom they are taking from movies, that is relationship, about the relationship, love, and all those things in their teenage, 18 year, 20 year, even they are not well matured. But just because they are not taking it as an entertainment, they are taking too much seriously. So what kind of knowledge they are getting, especially from Bollywood movies, from entire one single minute to last minute. I'm talking about most of the movies, more than 90% movies. So if you are taking it as a real life, it's a real life, whether you accept or not. Real life is totally different. Nothing is perfect in your real life, but in movies, everything is perfect in the life of actor and actress. They, everything is fixed. They will come definitely on any turn. They will find any girl, she is perfect, everything perfect, everything is going on. And even if anyone has any problem, they will do it just in one single day, 1 year, and it shows like, yeah, just take an example of I think Main Shaadi Mein Kab Aoge, and in that movies, what happened, we can see he just cracked the IS exam just because her girlfriend, I mean maybe the girl
शादी में
with
जरूर
whom he,
आना.
yeah, exactly, Shaadi Mein Zaroor Aana. So this kind of movies we can even can't use for inspiration. If in reality, even you can't crack single clerk exam if any girl will leave you. After 1 and 2 months, you will forget that girl. But we take so much inspiration. Oh, I mean, yeah, we can. So such kind of thing we just take as a entertainment. Just no, it's okay. It's entertainment part. We don't need to take any knowledge. But at the same time, like movies, Three Idiots, and also Iqbal, these are some movies we can even take so much inspiration and we can apply in our own work. No matter you are a student, you are a any employee, that we can learn what is actually work ethic. And definitely I'm from India, so definitely the Bollywood movies is some few Bollywood movies are good. Most of the totally crap that even we won't allow our kid from their if they are 5 years, 6 years, just because they won't learn anything from that. Sometimes we can allow some movies where it's comedy, but when it comes about the other movies like Hollywood, and sometimes they try to give you something, some perspective in every single movies. Sometimes they try to show you some reality about the people, and most of they have separate things for everything. If they are going to create movies on any biopic, they will try to relate you on that. They don't add so many like spicy there, so you can get more and more attract. So at the last, it is you, and I think Miss Nia has made one of the best point in starting that. Definitely, they are creating movies that we want to watch, and even we can't force any director or producer that you have made a movies on educational and all those things. They know what is good for us and what is not, but they are selling us just because we are in taking. If they will start to make movies on any educational thing, no one will watch. That's why even they are not going to do. This is how they will not make a benefit. But at least now, as a mature people, as a aware people, a citizen, we have privilege that we can either watch all the time It's okay to watch once in a week or on a month, but if you're watching every single day, and if you are telling I'm learning, I don't think we can learn anything from that. Now we are in a privilege that we can go, we can watch documentary, we can watch autobiography, and we can learn so lot of things. At the last also, if we want to learn it, if we want to get any knowledge, instead of preferring any book, we can even go for short videos on YouTube that will be more specific, that will give you some exact knowledge that you want to know. Just take an example of simple hacking, ethical hacking, or maybe IT sector, computer science. If you will go to watch any movies that is based on computer, there's so many movies even based on ethical hacking, they will show you something that even it will entertain you. It will give you something, oh my God, what's going on? But it has nothing to do with your reality. Just taking knowledge about that IT sector or computer science, you have to go on YouTube, you have to watch some 5-minute, 10-minute videos. And if you need some, some deep knowledge, then I think you need to pick up a book. There is no substitute for book. And also some movies, I think Mr. Pradeep Bhai has mentioned that, the Padmavati movie, and when he watched that movie, then he get to know about something, Sati Pratha and all those things. So in this part, I'm also, in movies, it is not possible all the time to put everything, so they have to cut so many things. They have to just show you that thing firstly, which is something interesting, and another thing, they can't cover everything in just 1.5 hours. Now the movie is not for 2 hours, it's just between 1 and 2 hours, not more than that. So that's why they will try to show you that which you are interested, and they will cut so many parts, so we are not getting the exact thing. Then maybe we will miss some more crucial information that we can get if we are going to read. So if we are really eager to learn something, even if we will put 2.5 hours to any book, that will be more beneficial according to me. And if you are just want to entertain yourself, go watch any movie. Don't worry about that. We are human. We have our brain. We need some comfort. So then we can work in a efficient manner.
Okay, Dhruv bhai, just I want to add only one point. I will take only 30 seconds. I think everybody has heard about Osho. I think Osho. Actually,
Yeah, I know.
Rajneesh, something. Actually,
Yeah,
I
right.
heard that name, but actually I have no idea how he was. No, to once during the lockdown, I seen a web series that is Wild Wild Country, and that was 6 episode series. After watching that series, then I came to know why Osho was so much famous in USA and India, Canada. Why? Because he has done some, you can say fantastic work in some other manner, but when you are going to watch that web series, then you can say yes, why that person was so much famous, except India. And also
Yeah.
currently, I think in Pune there is also, actually I have no idea about that place, but in Pune that is. So I think there are many movie and there are many web series by
Yeah, exactly.
at least we can know what happening. So I think
I
now
also want to comment just one thing. Comment just one thing about Oso, just because you have told. So I think if anyone wants to know about Oso, just go on YouTube, put any keyword that you want, that you are interested to know the topic, just put there on YouTube. If you will listen more than 10 minutes or 20 minutes, you already get to know what he is. Even you don't need to read everything about him. The way he speaks, the way he makes aware you, he don't totally try to brainwash your brain like the most of the sadhus and people they try to do. He's more logical, like nowadays Sadhguru. So even also has died in 1989, but still the impact of his word and the impact of his knowledge, philosophy is still here, and it will be for long term.
Dhruv,
Yeah.
actually, why I'm saying about that web series, because they have not used any fictional character. They have used real picture of that time, 1981, 1982. So at least we can know about how he has captured a whole city and just create a Osho city, something like that. So, okay. So Shekhar bhai, now this is your turn.
So, so also God bless us. So whether hello.
Yes, Shekhar bhai,
So
continue.
first of it's audible.
Yes, yes.
So first of all, I just want to correct that, like Dhruv Bhai has said that that there is a sati in there's a sati pratha shown in the picture called Padmavat. That's not
It's not
sati
my
pratha.
statement. Sorry. sorry to interrupt you. It's not my statement. It was the statement of Mr. Pradeep Kumar. Just I mentioned that
Okay,
part.
okay, 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 okay,
Okay.
I
okay.
didn't
So,
want
Actually,
to.
Sekhar bhai,
okay.
that was not Sati Pratha. I think that was Johor, something like that.
Yes, so I'm just correcting that part that it's not Sati
That's
Pratha, it's
Sati
Johor.
Pratha. Okay.
And
So just
Sati
I
Pratha
am
and Johor is
taking my
totally
word
different.
back. Please, I am really sorry. Forgive me.
I
Okay.
didn't know, sir.
Okay.
I'm just correcting something. So let's talk about the current today's topic. That mm, what is the topic?
Okay, Sekhar bhai.
I don't
Now,
forget.
Sekhar bhai, also we have a member who has just visited Osho Pune. So we are going
Yes,
to.
I
Yes.
so
I think.
so actually I'm just
Okay, bhai.
asking what's the topics today? What is the topic of today?
Actually,
Exact topic.
you,
Kind of the topic.
you were not listening us.
Sir,
What
I was listening.
what I am talking, what
Sir, I
Dhruv
was
has
listening. That's
spoken.
why I reverted back now.
Okay.
I can
movies
repeat
You know,
what the
educate us.
other.
also came in, everyone.
Yes,
You know,
but
also
I
topic
was
came and everyone forget about the topic.
Okay, Sekhar bhai,
Sir, believe me,
And also
I
Prashant.
had Neha, Dhruv sir, Pradeep sir, and that Ritika. Yes, that I heard this four. So I was not. I was there. That's why I'm replying. So first of all, I want to make you all of you aware that the first Sanskrit commercial movie is on Sri Adi Sankaracharya. It's a great movie because it's a biopic on the greatest of the legends of the Adhyatmic legends of the India. So you can watch that, and I can surely say that most of the people didn't watch that. So now let's talk about that whether you can use the movie as your education. 99 more than 95% of the movies have no messages. They are just rubbish. And what there was a saying that what is there is just entertainment and entertainment, that was there and nothing else. And now there is now
Sekhar bhai, just I want to interrupt you. You know, you have said
yes.
90% movie have no message. I am not agree. Every movie has a message. Every movie has a
Yes,
message.
every yes, sir, I can explain that every movie has a message. Like if you watch a Karan Johar movie, you will be a Shah Rukh Khan, and you will think that
Yeah, by watching Karan Johar movie, at least we can know how to respect our elder, how to respect our family member. Every
and
movie
yes,
has a
sir.
message.
Had I said that we cannot,
Yes,
sir,
I know.
I'm just saying that.
Yeah, I know,
Like,
Pradeep, that the, hello, hello.
yes, yes. हाँ बोल ले
Himanshu bhai,
भाई.
just wait 2 minutes. We will give
Yeah.
chance also. So please wait 2 minutes. Okay, Sekhar bhai, please continue.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Please.
like I
Actually, I
can
was
give the
replying in that question.
so like first of all, let me first give my practical experience of that, some of the learning that I had taken from the movies, Bollywood movies. Like you can take the example of Three Idiots. From that movie, I learned that no matter what is happening in your life, don't ask things from the God. If you want to pay respect, if you want to do worship, go and do worship. Don't ask things in return. So I learned that thing from that movie. If you talk about the Mahi, the Untold Story, I learned that don't give unnecessary respect to your to your opposition. Like what you like, what's the Dhoni's what's the Dhoni said, that we didn't lose the match in the field, but we lose the match before the beginning of the match. What's the scene that Yuvraj Singh was going, and the Dhoni and his team was going, but all the people was looking towards Yuvraj, that oh, he's so cool and he's so cool and he's so confident. So what they did, they degraded their confidence, they degraded their self-respect. So I learned that give respect to others, but don't lean on them. So I learned this from Mahi the Untold Story, and I also learned other things from different things, different movies which I don't give, which I cannot give all the examples. And let's now talk about the first some good movies that you people should watch, like I Am Kalam, Iqbal, Earth, and the movies of Satyajit Ray. Go and must watch. Some of the movies are the Oscar winner movies like Two, and the pictures of Guru Dutt you can watch, like Kagaz Ke Phool. It's are slow movies, but these movies will teach you how the real life will goes on, how the curves of the life will make you will put you in a situation where you have to take the decision, where you have to take the decisions which are not suitable for you. And in the current time, you can watch the movie of Amir Khan's movies is good. You can watch and take some messages like Tare Jami Par, Dangal, like and other some Hollywood stories, movies like Pursuit of Happiness, and the movies that about the Mars. So these are some good stories that we are take. But overall, if you will say that they, according to me, still there is most of the movies are just rubbish. Still, we can take the messages. Yes, you can take the messages. For that, you must have the eye to. You must have that eye to retrieve the message from the saying. What's happening that most of the people can't take the messages until and unless the message is specific and cleared by the director. Like we are going to what they were telling is must be, if they were to be clear, they would able to take, otherwise they would not able to take. What Pradeep Bhai is saying is totally correct, because only that he has that eye who can take the good even from the worst. So I salute that perspective of yours. And
Okay. Okay, Sakhar bhai, just 1 minute. Please, I am requesting, please join this meeting again, because we have 3 members, Vishal bhai and Amit bhai and 1117, because they have also speak on this topic. So please join this again, because
okay.
in this meeting we have no time. Okay, so please join it again.
Okay, so see, whatever you talk, you
Yeah.
already you guys already have word means talk lot of things about the movies. Okay, but you know, the moment you told about the subject, are the movies a good tool for education? Okay, so what I consider differently. I never consider the movies. Movies means that what movies we have been talking in this the discussion in this debate. Actually, I consider movie as a film or visualization something.
I think you are correct.
I was thinking,
Amit bhai, I think you are correct.
I was thinking about that visualization. I was not thinking about whether it's Hollywood movie or it's Bollywood movie or whatever it may be. Okay, see, what are the movies? Those movies, you know, we feel some relax if we watch it. Okay, why we go for movies? If we have free time, we'll watch it, that movie, and we get relaxed or we get satisfaction. Or sometimes there are some such a movies from where we get some inspiration. That's it, nothing else. The movies, you know, it is made for only the entertainment, nothing else apart from that. You know, see, if we are getting something from the movies, real life, in a real life, we will get the same thing also. What is that? Suppose, see, what we have been, see, we have been grown, right, from the childhood to younger age. We will get it's part of the movies. Okay, movies are made based on our stories also, and that we are seeing those stories around us also. So nothing else, that you know, they are getting the idea from the our only, from what situation happened, what something. So they're taking those ideas from us, and then they're creating a movies. They're developing a movies or creating a movies, nothing else. Okay, but what I was thinking about the visualization. Now let's talk about the brain. Okay, for example, if you have the textbooks, and if you have the video film or something, so which will be a remember easily. For example, let me give an example. I watched the movies the Maine Pyar Kiya in 2000 in 1991 or 92. I don't remember 91, 92. But still, it is remember, or it is a forever in my mind. After that, I don't feel that I have repeated, or sometimes second time I watch or not. But I know what are the characters are in that movies. Okay, so our brain accept that visual effects. Okay, visual effects. And now let me move to the another point now. Okay, now see my son. Okay, we haven't taught him how to learn the counting and the alphabets. But even though the watching that movies means that visual effects, he by heart that ABCD alphabets, even the counting also, number counting also. So we haven't taught him. So we got the benefit, right? Now what we do, we just revise that thing as a responsible parent. We revise that thing from him. So my concern is only is that, suppose now even I still remember that when I was doing an engineering, and if there was any theoretical subject, it was very difficult. So what I used to do, I used to visualize that. I was creating a picture. I was creating a movie inside in my mind. And now I was capturing, suppose if there is one article or there is any equation, if it is theoretical, if not is a mathematical, if it is theoretical. So I was creating the thing in, ultimately what I was creating that visual effect of, and then at the time of writing, it was, it was easy for me to write it, that particular scene. So ultimately, in short, our brain accepts the visualization. So what I feel that if we create such a thing, visualization, it would be easy to grab it, right? So that I wanted to talk over here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Amit bhai, I think you are right. Okay. So
because I don't want to compare that thing, movies and all this.
Okay. I think both are same thing. Actually, you have visualized as picture, and we visualize like movie. So we have Vishal and Triple 7A. Vishal bhai, what is your comment? Then we have last member Triple 17. Okay, Vishal.
Yeah, I'm audible, Pradeep bhai?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm totally concerned with the Amit bro, because because if we watch any animated movies, like regarding to education purpose, so that definitely it will helpful for for us. And if I talk about the movies, yeah, it is just few hours there are few movies are to improve our just for the motivation to motivate us, and but just we can take some good lesson from that. Yeah, but lot of the movie just full of triangle and all the acting of actress and actor and villain. So that's the thing. But yeah, there are some movies, yeah, we can take the impression. Yeah, if we watch movie, yeah, sometimes we feel passionate about that. If I watch any footballer movie, any uh, like cricketer movie, like based on the cricketer, then we feel that, yeah, uh, I will become a good cricketer like that, Virat Kohli, like Dhoni. So it will just make us just provide inspiration. And if you are passionate about that, you can follow, you can will become successful. Yeah, what kinds of thing you want to become. So definitely, other point is that if I talk about in the education purpose, so we can just visualize, and we can watch any regarding to your topics in the educational. So we can find the many no we can easily to understand, we can easily to cope up with the related to topics. We can easily understand how can we relate like for the microbiology student, if it's difficult to understand the topic regarding to book, but when we search on the Google, yeah, any other job, any other portal, so we can find relatives videos and animated videos, so we can easily understand. So I think there's some and also movies are not good for small kids, and because it will spreading the narrative, a bad narrative about in the film, and it will affect their life. And I think like there are many web series, there are many, and also I think few people are uh, going to, and I mean take a bad lesson, and it will, because it is difficult to all time to take a good things in your mind. All the time we go for the wrong, in the wrong way, so it's difficult to maintain, difficult to control your mind. So it depend upon us, and it depend upon the person's perception, how, what kinds of what kinds of movie are you watching. Yeah, if you're watching movies for the English improvement, so definitely you can watch, and because it's a two birds, kill two birds with one stone. So you can also entertainment, you can find entertainment, and you can learn something, learn vocabulary, learn pronunciation about how can we speak, how can improve. So there are a lot of things. It depends upon the person's perceptions, and so we can categorize the movies in the sense of the education, and other movie just for the entertainment. So movies are just for the entertainment, I think. So yeah, that's all what from my side.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
over to Pradeep.
okay, so now 111 7A. Yes, now this is your turn. Now you can speak.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So topic is our movies are for educational purpose or not, right? Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, we are hearing you. Yeah, go ahead. You are audible.
Yeah. Okay. For inspiration, I think movies are important for inspiration. Movies are important, but for education purpose, I don't think movies are not required at all, because I think there is no point, there is no message in movies. I think movies are basically designed for our entertainment only. There is no message, and there is nothing we should learn from the movies. I don't think there is anything we should be learning. They are just portraying this message in a different way, uh, uh, which uh, not help us, which not help us to learn anything from it. Because because why I am saying this, because because of Sushant Singh Rajput case. After Sushant Singh Rajput, see the reality of the movies. I see what is happening deep down and under the movies. So I think there is no point of watching movies, and
I
there
think
is nothing
Himanshu bhai,
and
that
nothing
is
like teaching or.
that is their personal life. That is not movie. That is real life. Okay, okay. Continue,
He's talking about, I think, nepotism, all those things that's going on just behind the scene.
Hello.
Yes, speak.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, Himanshu, you can speak.
Yeah. What you are asking?
I am nothing. Okay, just you can speak. I am not saying anything.
No. Actually, I was saying after Sushant Singh Rajput, I see the reality of these movies. That's why I don't think there is any point of. I don't think there is anything we should learn from movies. Basically for the entertainment purpose, and we have to take it as an entertainment purpose. If you take it, if you want to take this to learn something, then I think it's no use.
And main character of the
That's
movies
all
never
from my
learned.
side.
No, main character of that movies never learned how to live. But how can we learn from that?
Actually, that's why we are talking about personal things. Suppose I am teacher and my duty is to teach something. And if the student is going focus on what my teacher is doing, so that is not good way. Because my responsibility to teach.
No.
Why you are going to see my real life, what I am doing, how I am living. So that is not a good thing. Okay. Their main aim is to portray their character, and they are doing good. And what they are doing in real life, I think we do not care about that. This is my perception.
No, it's true.
Yes, now this platform is open. You can talk to each other. At least
No,
5 to 10
see, then
Yes.
they're simply portraying, then the actor are simply portraying just because of publicity or just because of movies. That is not real in anything in that. Then why we are motivating that? It is just real life. It is not real life.
You know,
Yeah.
So
Just
they are
take it as
protecting
entertainment. That's why.
one side they are protecting our nation, but in real life they are doing something else. Then which one to believe? Correct. So not all the actors, but few actors.
actually, you
So
know, Devi Bhai, we go theater
yeah.
to only to watch movie, not to
Yeah.
what they are doing in real life. They have 5 girlfriends, 6 girlfriends. What we have to do with that matter? We have to only
No,
see the movies
see,
how they are going to portray their character. Okay, why you are going inside that?
that's what
I
I'm
am
saying.
no,
The
I
hero
am
of the movie not following, the hero of the movie is not following what is required in his real life. Then why
no,
should we follow?
no, that is case of other topic we can discuss. I like Dhruv Bhai mentioned one day, can we talk on this, or celebrities can be good role model for or not? In that topic we can discuss.
No,
Yes,
no, but
yes, Amit Bhai.
you were saying, na, you were supporting that the movies means you are getting so many the things from the movie, and even we are not supporting. We are watching the movies as the only the part of the entertainment, nothing else.
Yes,
And I don't
Amit
think
Bhai,
so. See, and
there are two things. I am saying we can talk about movie. What they are doing in real life, we are not going to see.
so
Only we are seeing movie.
no, no, no.
You can take as entertainment
See-
purpose. I can take as educational purpose. It only depends.
No, no,
Yeah.
but see this. See, the movies are made now that based on the our stories only, nothing else, right? They are not.
Yes.
They're taking that character from the our, you know. So those characters you will get around you also. You know, suppose now take an example of a family. So same thing will be happy. Same thing you will have a friend. I will have a friend also, right? So everything will be they are taking from us. So what we are getting from the movie? Nothing.
Okay. If we do not get anything, no, Amit Bhai. If we do not get anything from movie, then why we go for seeing the movie? Actually, we are getting something.
No,
That's
so
why we
see-
are going. We can say if we get
No, no. See,
entertainment,
see.
also we get fun, also we get knowledge.
So
That's
for
why we are going to watch the
entertainment
movie.
purpose.
Because no person is going to waste their time for rubbish thing.
Mhm.
At least you accept this. Yes, we get something.
See,
Then yes, we can say entertainment or fun
Mhm.
or something like that.
But
That's
you
why
know
we
there
go.
are yeah. There is one of my friend. Okay, I don't and you know why he used to go to theater. Okay, to get that AC only. now, now what you can say now? he was saying that okay, I never go to watch a movie. I go to the theater to get a relax only, and I sleep for 3 hours. I get so many things. Okay, so now what can you say over here?
Yes, there are many examples like this. I have also faced some
Yeah.
situation. I have seen one person just sleeping beside me and whole 3 hours. So there are many persons, there are many characters. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it depends person to person, you know. You'll have to take as it is, but even it's only the entertainment, nothing else.
Yes, of course.
But what about that Tare Zameen Pe? There was a movie, so
Why Tare Zameen Par? There are many movies, sir. Because Dhruv Bhai.
no, but particularly no. If it is a Tare Zameen Pe movie is there, so actually see everyone got emotional when they watched that particular movie, and they were saying that I was the part of that movie. The same thing happened. You know the
In
I
real
guess
life.
the 80% 80% student consider they are in that the same character they have played in their life.
And if violence happen in movie, and the same act will be played in real life also. That also happened.
Okay.
No, violence is not a part of real life, I think. Especially South movies violence. That's the only part.
So violence is spread across the country. You cannot segregate that south or north because violence is violence.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, but there are some few reality of like some few movies that show the reality of the our life. Like you, if have you, I think
Society.
have you ever watched like watch movie like Good Luck? It's a web series, and we are family. When you watch, then you feel that it's a had gone with our life, or it's going with. It's both things maybe. So there are some the kinds of movie you can feel that yeah, that moment you can that's feel I did any mistake, then we have to recover, we have to get over from this, we have so it's so we have to take the good lesson from this, and we have to we have to adopt in our life, and so that's we can improve our life, and definitely just for the education purpose, for the culture, so we can go for the books, we can go for the Discovery Channel, we go for the Net Geo. So there are a lot of things you have interested in things, you can go and you can watch. So yeah, it's a thing that if you watch movies you can take for in the entertainment, but also we have to take the lesson from the good lesson from this. So don't take it in negative way. So because yeah, but there is few less movie are we so that we that kinds of things making us not making us to motivate or taking a good lesson. So all the things like violence, like about love, about other things, so we can.
Okay, so I think Amit bhai, this is now 10:45 p.m. and this is more time. So now this is time to close it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so thank you
Yeah,
guys
Yeah,
yeah.
for thank you.
Thank you all. Yeah, thank you all. Good
yeah,
night.
thank you all.
Bye. Bye.